Welcome to my channel! Kumusta po kayong lahat? My name is Filipina and welcome to Ma'am Shifeli's Garden. So today I'm going to share with you how I repotted this beautiful silver dollar vine succulent, or we call it, how do you pronounce it? Cerosesias silver dollar succulent. Beautiful twine. So there you have it. I hope you like and learn something from this video. If you do, please don't forget to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel for my upcoming plant videos. See you in my next vlog, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye!